For the past couple of days, we've been developing this small little range of furniture. We're trying to build the whole range, all from damaged stock treadmills that have been returned. So we've taken them and we've stripped them right back down to the bare materials. Well, this is the motor, the cogs. We've actually taken some bikes as well for the disc brakes. Developed the lamp. We've got a couple of chairs underway, a coffee table, and a sideboard, but this is just giving an example of just using one material from one avenue. We let the parts speak to us to dictate the design, and then from there, you just got to see what you can salvage. We seem to get a lot of treadmills, that's why we've focused on them at the minute. We've probably used about 10 treadmills worth of belts. We don't let anything go to waste, we'll reclaim everything, even the brushes we've claimed, they were returns. We could go into a company and take their assets, save it from going into the bin and giving it a new life. Once they're done with it, we'll cut it down and turn it into something else like this. We could cut it down again and just reshape it. The cycle could be endless, really.